Y'all playing together. Yeah. Oh, you so cute. How you doing? Where's the other? There's the other. What's up, Squirt? You having fun? Yeah, little husky. Little husker down there having fun too. Husky eater. Husky eater. Yeah, husky. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. You sweet boy. You know that? Yeah, I know you are. Oh, he's going to fight. He's going to fight. He's going to fight. Where's he go? Husky eater. Yeah, I see you with the camera. Squirt's right there. What do you do? Yeah. Oh. Uh-oh. He's in pursuit of Squirt. Oh no, Squirt's fighting back, trying to fight back. Ooh. Yep. That's definitely what y'all get. Especially Squirt. They came out of the camera view. Oh. Can't get any footage of them when they're under there. Camera can't keep an eye on them when they're under there. There's definitely a fight going on under there. Can't tell which one's winning. To me, the Huskies win. Uh-oh, there they come. Bama came out in pursuit. Ooh. Bama done took him down. Come on, Bama. Whip him. Whip Squirt. You're bigger than him. You're the bully of him. You're the better man of him. Yeah, that's right. Take him down. That's right. Yeah, lay on him. Keep him from getting up. Punch him while he's down. Yeah, that's right. Punch him while he's down. Ooh, Squirt trying to... Ooh. Let's turn that to a bigger battle, guys. Ooh. Dude, that was insane, their battle. That turned to a very insane battle. Uh-oh. Oh, it's not over yet. It's not over yet. Oh, now they're back under there at the camera view. Now they're both gonna fight. Beat each other up. Kill each other until they die. Little Husky's gonna win. Tell you that. Oh, I just heard something. Uh-oh. There comes Squirt. Uh-oh, there comes Husky out. Uh-oh. Oh. Can't see nothing, y'all, all the way over there. This darn chimney's blocking the view. Y'all all the way over there anyway, so how am I supposed to see all the way over there? Any camera view over there y'all can see? No, probably not. No camera view. There's sky right there. Well, it looks like they're really out of our camera view now, so... That's the end of the battle right there. Unless they're still fighting. Unless they'll come back, start fighting around the other corner. Yeah. Oh, there you are. Yeah, y'all still going at it? Yep, that's what I thought. Oh. ain't backing down. Yeah, Husky. Keep going at it. Yeah. That's right. You go down on that. Yeah, you fight him. Come on, Husky. Beat him. Yeah. Come on, Bama. Beat him up. Oh, they went back under there. Ooh, 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 ooh. Bama ain't playing today. Either is Squirt. Squirt's getting his butt kicked. Because he's a lot more smaller than him. He ain't the bigger man. He ain't no man match compared to that big old Husky. Yeah, Husky's like, yeah, boy, I'll beat you. Staring up. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, he done tackled Bama down. Bama's having trouble to get up. Out of camera view. Oh, there's Squirt. Bama decided to hide over there. Well, well. Squirt. Squirt. Well. Squirt definitely just ran Bama away. Oh, there's Bama right there. Where did he come from? He was just over. How'd you get here? Where did you come from? He just appeared? I didn't even see him. Did y'all see him come? I didn't. Ooh. Oh, come on, Bama. Where are you running from? Ooh. 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 Well, since the fight is getting very ruthless, we will have our winner, and I think they both just ran to a pot, or one of them did, I heard it. We will have our winner, and our winner is Bama! Bama, you won! Oh, come on, no more beating him up. Come on, I just heard y'all. Yay, there's our winner. Bama is our winner. The fight has already ended, it seems. Yay, Bama won. Cheers for Bama. Bama, 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 Bama. Alright, so I'm going to end it here.